Earthquakes can strike without warning, causing massive destruction and chaos. Preparing your home and family is crucial to surviving the aftermath. Here's how you can get ready. Secure your home. Anchor heavy furniture to walls. Install child-proof latches on cabinets. Use sturdy hooks for wall hangings. And strap water heaters and propane tanks to wall studs. Emergency repairs. Store plywood for broken windows and place fire extinguishers in accessible locations. Disaster supply kit. Have a 3-day supply of water and non-perishable food, a first aid kit, tools, and sanitation supplies. Family emergency plan. Designate an out-of-state contact, identify safe spots, and conduct regular earthquake drills. Stay informed, sign up for local emergency alerts, and learn basic first aid and CPR. After the quake, inspect your home for damage, stay put if safe, and check on neighbors. Long-term preparedness. Ensure you have earthquake insurance and consider retrofitting your home. Participate in community programs. Mental and emotional preparedness. Attend workshops on disaster preparedness and practice stress management techniques. Protecting important documents. Keep documents in a fireproof safe and consider digital backups. Pet preparedness. Have a supply of food, water, and medications for pets, and ensure they have ID tags. Preparing for an earthquake involves foresight and dedication, but these steps can enhance your safety and ability to recover. Stay proactive, stay prepared, and keep your loved ones safe.